This is integrations of upper and lower limit. We have to evaluate this value. For evaluating this value, you have to consider some algebraic process that you pass through before getting the value. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In case I'm releasing any video, you're able to see it daily. In solving this question solution, the first thing you are going to do, you expand this equation to have 2, 1. X times x will give us x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x minus 1 times this minus x squared plus 2x plus 2 divided by x squared dx. So let's try to combine it together to get a meaningful value. 2, 1, open a bracket. You realize that this is minus 2x plus 2x. This will turn to 0. This is minus 2x squared minus x squared. This will give you x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2 divided by x squared all dx. Therefore, let's try to use this to divide this. We have integral 2 upper and lower limit. By the time this divide, try to rewrite x cubed over x squared minus 3x squared over x squared plus 2 over x squared all dx, which will give you 2, 1. This will cancel this, will surely give you x. This will cancel this, will give you minus 3. Now, this will not give plus 2x minus 2 because you go back to the laws of indices to do this. So let's try to integrate now. In view of integration, we have x squared over 2 minus 3x plus 2 x onto minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Upper and lower limit we have 2, 1. Therefore, it will give you x squared over 2 minus 3x. This will now turn to plus 2x minus 1 over minus 1 onto 2, 1. So therefore, we are now trying to make this minus 1 to divide this plus, to divide the plus to give us a meaningful value. So by the time we try to divide this, we have x squared over 2 minus 3x. Minus divided by plus will give us minus 2x minus 1, or we have upper and lower. So now, let's try to put the value, but before putting the value, let's rewrite it better to have x squared over 2 minus 3x minus 2 over x. This is exact what we need to expatiate. So the exact thing we need to expatiate at these junctions is this. So we have to put 2 inside. So by putting 2 inside here, we have which will give you x. We give you 2 squared over 2 minus 3 onto 2 minus 2 over 2. So we now put a minus. So you now insert the value of 1 now to have 1 over 2 squared minus 3 onto 1 minus 2 over 1. So let's try to solve it clear. This will give you 4 over 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus, so this is 1 over 2 minus 3 minus 2. So this will divide, this will give you 2 minus 7 minus half minus 5. So therefore, minus 5 minus, you open a bracket, half minus 5. So therefore, we have minus 5 minus 1 over 2 plus 5. So the final answer, you're able to see that this is minus 5 and this, it returns to 0. So the final answer will now give us minus half. So for this solution, the final answer for this is minus half. So the final answer is minus half. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. And for more video that you